Once upon a time, in a vibrant garden, a delicate flower and a cheerful bird become friends. The flower admired the bird's ability to soar high and sing melodious song. The bird, in turn, loved the flower's beauty and fragrance. One day, a storm hit the garden and the flower felt scared and alone. The bird sheltered the flower with its wings, protecting it from the harsh winds. After the storm, the flower bloomed even more beautiful. They learned that true friendship means helping each other through tough times, making them stronger together. The moral of the story is true friendship is about supporting each other.